Today we have what I think is a super fun but super useful video. If you're like me, you shop at Amazon all the time. I'm starting a new series where every month I'm going to show you my faves and fails from all my Amazon purchases. Now, I'm going to narrow it down to my top 5 today just to keep it concise. And that's going to be hard to do because I use Amazon all the time. So if you want to see some great affordable finds that I really think you'll be able to use and will want to use, then stick around because we're about to get right in. This is About Face with Mona. This is a channel geared towards things usually for the mature woman, but these Amazon videos will be a little different because they'll be something that everyone can use. This channel usually deals with things that are related to makeup, beauty, and skincare and lifestyle, and today we have a little bit of all of them from Amazon. Every item that I list here will be in the description with a link so that you can get it if it looks like something that you might like. I love all of these products. So this is going to be for the month of June. Next month at the beginning I'll do July's and so on and so on. I think they'll bring you value. You let me know what you think below if this is a video that you might enjoy. We only have 5, but no fails this month. Sometimes I do have fails. Sometimes I see something on Amazon, it looks good, I order it, but it's a miss. But most of the time, they're faves, and this month is no exception. So we're gonna start with something that might seem simple. And I'm always looking, because I wear makeup and I wear sunscreen, and I have a lot of ooky stuff to get off of my face, and I have super sensitive skin. I'm always looking for something that's gonna be effective and soft, not break the bank, and also not ruin my good towels. Well, I have found something by a company called Hiphop Panda. These average only $1 and a few pennies per towel. They come in a pack of 6. I'm going to tell you about that. So these are 10 by 10 in size. So unlike the makeup erasers, which are effective and soft, they can be pricey. These are effective and soft, 2-ply. I like the fact that they're a little larger than the makeup eraser. I like a little substance to my hand. They're facial washcloths. They're considered luxury bamboo hypoallergenic makeup remover cloth for sensitive skin. I like this because I can wash my first cleanse with the gray, then I can use the white side for my second cleanse, and I can tell if I'm leaving any residual makeup on my skin. Now, what's special about these is that they can also be a good baby gift. If you know someone who's pregnant or looking for washcloths for babies, these are baby proof for sensitive baby skin. So you know they're gonna be good for your sensitive skin if you have it. And if you don't have sensitive skin, it's still a great deal. The fact that they're bamboo and double layer, they're soft, they're naturally antibacterial, they're super absorbent, they're fast drying, they're odor resistant, and get this, they're biodegradable. So after we're finished with these and they're in some landmine somewhere, they're not gonna be hurting the planet for our generations to come. They're gonna biodegrade. And they have a lifetime money back guarantee. So let's talk about why these are a little bit special besides being affordable. So if anything happens, the stitching comes out, they don't last, you don't like them for any reason, within 12 hours they will give you a refund and they don't ask you to send anything back. You can't lose with this. Now they're regularly $13.95 for 6, which to me is still not expensive. However, right now there's a coupon. You just clip the coupon on the Amazon site. Most of you who use Amazon are familiar with that, and then it applies at checkout. $7 off of 6. That is with your first time subscribe and order. Now with the subscription order, I just put this in for every 6 months. So every 6 months I'll get a new subscription unless I cancel. But you can go in there and you can cancel it without ever having to subscribe and still save the $7. So regularly $13.95 for 6 of them, or you can get them for, I paid $7 for these 6. Okay, let's go on to our second product. This is the Mora double wall ceramic coffee travel mug with lid, 14 ounces, portable. What makes it special? Everybody has their favorite portable cups. I'm drinking my iced coffee right now out of my Yeti. I'll always have one of these around. Why is this one unique and worth your interest? It is portable, microwave, dishwasher safe, insulated, reusable, splash resistant lid, fits in a car holder. It also fits under a Ninja, a Keurig. It has 2,033 just about 5-star reviews on Amazon. What makes it special to me above the ones that I have is the fact that it's microwavable. So sometimes I have to use 2 separate containers. If I want to use like my hot coffee or my hot tea, I need to make it separate from the microwave and then pour it into that. I know that's not a big deal. But sometimes when you're getting ready in the morning and you're trying to get out the door, minutes really do count. I can throw my tea into this with the water, my tea bag, which I also get my tea bags for my loose tea on Amazon, but that'll be another video. I can just throw it in there, throw it in the microwave, and do it all at once. Take the bag out, add a little sugar, and go, okay? Or I like soups. I like to put soup for lunch when I'm having my busy work at home days into something like this. And sometimes, honestly, it takes me so long to get through it that it may cool off. Then you'd have to take it out, rewarm it, and put it back in. I could just stick this back in the microwave. There's so many reasons that being able to put this in the microwave is convenient. And you won't know that until you get it yourself. These are just under $20. They come in a multitude of styles, colors. They're nicely made, they're heavy, and they have great reviews, and for good reason. You just turn the top like this to drink out of, and you turn it back to close it. This is really nice. The fact that it is microwavable and dishwasher safe makes it so easy. So number 3 is my microfiber hair towel. These come in packs of 3. What makes them special is that they're only 3 for $9, and I usually use the Aqui hair turban. Those are between $20 and $30 a piece. This is $10, $9 for 3 of them, and they are for thick hair that's curly or textured or absorbs and holds a lot of water. It dries in 50% of the time. I get out of the tub, I put this on my head. It has the little button, you can see the shape. Perfect for this. So you twist this up in the back and you hook it on the little button. And I let that sit on my hair for a while and it soaks up all that moisture. I don't have to towel dry. I dye my hair. So I treat my hair with color, I lighten it with highlights. So I have to be very careful that I don't have unhealthy hair. You'll notice I don't have a lot of dead ends, but I can dye, color treat my hair and still keep it healthy. That's because I use things like this. I try not to blow dry my hair. I try to let the majority of the moisture soak up in this type of device, and before these I was using Aqui and I was paying a lot more for them. These work just as good. They don't damage my hair either. They're baby soft. Want quick dry, they're good for any hair type. But if you have dry hair, curly hair, long hair, thick hair, it's even more of a challenge. And these solve that. Comes in different colors. I think that is a super high quality product for an affordable price. So my number 4 product today is one of my favorites. This is a power bank, okay? This is, I know you've all seen them, you've probably all used them, but what makes this one special? This is 10,000 mAh USB-C portable charger, 5 outputs, 2 inputs, ultra slim, LED display with built-in AC wall plug, USB-C and micro integrated cable, external battery pack for all mobile phones. It has a bunch of 4.5 star reviews also. I have tried many of these. I also had the Jolt, which is also good. I've had the My Charge, which I love, but the My Charge is, to get the 10,000 mAhs is like $50 or $60. It's actually, I think the last time I looked, it might have been $99. So I started looking for more affordable options that give me the same bang for my buck, and I found this one. So you turn, first of all, they charge in your wall like this. I like that all the parts of it are in one. This is perfect for travel. This is perfect for road trips. This is perfect for a trip to the salon where you're in there all day getting stuff done and you're running out of juice. Anything, or you're just getting ready to run out the door and you realize that you didn't charge your phone. These come in handy, but these are special because all the pieces are in one, and I can charge up to 6 devices at one time. So when I go somewhere, or even on your nightstand at night, plugged in, you can have your iPhone hooked up to it. I have a work iPhone, I have a personal iPhone, I have a large iPad, a small iPad, which I use for like movies on the plane, or when I'm on a long car ride, or when I'm just out of juice and I'm trying to get a lot of things charged at once with one quick device. I leave this plugged into my wall. I have to fight for it with my family. I am refilming this video because when I went to film it, this was missing. Called my son, oh yeah, I grabbed it this morning because it was charged. You know, it's always in my wall and it's just always charged, easy to find. When you have a phone bank that doesn't have all the pieces, it's not as easy to keep charged. This stays plugged into my wall and it's always ready to go. So what I like about this one, okay, so you have your plug, and you also have your built-in charging components. You have one for an Android, you have one for any kind of iPhone device, and you have a separate one. So you have USB-C, like for a Mac Pro, you have USB-C, you have Android, and 2 iPhone types of chargers, all in one device. And you have plugins at the bottom to add ability to charge. I think this is worth your spend. I like this one. I like this one just as much as my My Charge, and I thought I'd never find one that I liked as much. But this one is actually more affordable. It's slimmer, it's lighter. I can put it in a crossbody purses that I usually use when I travel. It can slip in there, and my phone can be attached to it and charging without taking up much room, all inside my purse. While I'm going through security, while I'm going through lines, it's sitting there charging and getting ready for me to be able to use or to watch my movie on the plane. It's great. It has a power button at the bottom, and you can see the digital display. So this tells you how much battery power you have left, and it'll count down 99, 98, 97, 96, so you know how much juice you have left. I love that touch. And let's talk about price, because this is another one that's on sale with a coupon today. It's regularly $36.99, which is still super affordable compared to, for having all the pieces with it compared to the other ones that I have purchased. But this one has a coupon today, and it's not a subscribe and save, it's just a coupon, 30% off at checkout. So once again, if you've used Amazon, you know, you just click the little coupon, and what you actually pay today for this, the day it's going to be uploaded, because I am filming, editing, and uploading in the same day because it's been quite the week. It's $28.34, so under $30, and it works. It works so well that, like I said, when I was getting ready to record earlier, because I thought I was going to do this all early, get it out the way, recorded, edited, and posted today, I go to grab it to show you guys, it's not on my wall. I call around, who's got my charger? My youngest son, Mom, sorry, I was going out this morning, my phone was almost dead, I grabbed it out your wall. They work, and this is one of the best prices for this level of quality, that with all the pieces in one. And I'm telling you, if you've used just the regular phone banks, this is not it. If you get one that has everything in one, you will not be sorry. And you still have the ability to add extra. All right, my last one that I'm gonna include today, and only because I'm trying to keep this reasonable in time, not because I don't have thousands of Amazon recommendations, but this is gonna be a repeat thing, so you guys will get to see more. Another device that seems so freaking simple, and you'd wonder, why are you showing me this, Mona? Wasting my time with this? Because when this is not clean, when this is not in my hand, I'm looking for it. I don't ever not use it anymore. I don't chop or grind meat in any other way except by using this tool. I have a little carpal tunnel in this hand. Some people have arthritis, some people have carpal tunnel, some people just don't want to stand in front of a stove and take a long time to scramble eggs or grind up meat or chop meat. This can just chop. It can do it fine or it can do it into chunks. It can also smooth and cream like strawberries for a glaze. I'm going to show you some pictures of the uses of this as well. This is only $11.99 on Amazon, and I don't know when I've spent a better $11.99. I get my use out of this. It's also heat resistant, so you can use it up against pots. It doesn't melt. You know, I've had it leaning up against a pot inside of a hot pan. It has not damaged it in any kind of way. The handle is very comfortable for holding, especially if you have wrist, carpal tunnel, or arthritis. It has 14,296 5-star ratings on Amazon, and for good reason. When I do ground beef or ground turkey for meat sauce, or I'll ground up meat for tacos, or I'll want to shred chicken, this is my best friend. These blades are amazing. Anyway, that's all that I have for you today. If you enjoyed this video, if you'd like to see more like this, if you think this series of what I buy at Amazon every month would be helpful to you, let me know in the comments. If there's any other types of videos that you'd like to see, let me know in the comments. I know that I had taken that 4-month sabbatical. The beginning of this year was rough for me, but I am really back. I am consistent. Right now I'm uploading on Tuesdays and Saturdays. I was thinking of changing to Wednesdays and Sundays. Let me know how you guys feel about that, but my upload schedule will be consistent. My quality, I'm working on making sure that that's something that's relevant and beneficial to you, my viewers, because I appreciate the time that you give me and I definitely don't want to waste it. I'm here to stay, so you might as well give me your input and let me know what you want to see. Until next time, please have a great rest of your weekend. Go out and live like Mel.